beautiful people. I'm Nancy Okpa and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this Bambara nut recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So on my list I have my palm oil. So I'll be using 1 cup of palm oil. I have my onion, Bambara nut flour, also known as Okpa flour, and that's 4.5 cups. This is my habanero pepper, salt to taste, and I'll be using 4.5 cup of warm water. Next, we'll pour this warm water into our bowl. Please, I'll advise you use a bigger bowl when doing this. So I'll add in my palm oil. Next, I'll be adding in my Bambara nut flour. So I'm gonna sieve this to remove every impurity, and this will make the flour easy to work with. So I'm gonna do this gradually. I'm gonna stir everything. I found this method very helpful. I repeat, please, when you are doing this, use a larger bowl to give you the chance of whisking this or mixing this very well, and it will come out smooth. Okay, so I'm gonna do this gradually. I'll mix this till everything dissolve. Okay, so this is the second bag of the Bambara nut flour. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. So I'm going to mix everything again, and I'll add in my warm water, the remaining warm water, and that was okay. Use a larger bowl. I found that my bowl was a bit small. It didn't allow me to mix everything easily. If you notice any lump, you can blend it and that will be fine. So this is the texture I'll be going for. This is exactly what I want. Okay, so I've added in my habanero pepper. Please use the pepper you can tolerate. Next, I'll be adding in my salt, and I'll mix everything together. Okay, I'm actually testing for salt now, and I decided not to add seasoning cube or seasoning powder or crayfish too. I have a video on how to do this with seasoning powder and crayfish powder. So today I decided to try this without seasoning powder and crayfish powder, and the taste was absolutely amazing. The taste was good. You can use whatever you want to use, ramekin, a container, whatever, a baking, whatever you can use. I'm using nylon to do this. So I'm going to tie this to this beautiful shape, and it was good. Look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful this is. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking it for granted. So this is everything. While doing that, I had a pot of boiling water, which I am about to transfer this inside my boiling water. So before you drop this inside the boiling water, you see me shaking it. Shake it so that the oil will not settle at the damp part or one-sided. Okay, so that's the reason why I am shaking it. So I'm going to do this, and I'll cook this for about 35 minutes, depending on your heat anyway. After 35 minutes, it was done. So this is my final look and the texture was okay. The taste was amazing. I know you will love this. Give this a try in case you've not done this before, and you will definitely come back to thank me. So I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.